Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Teamleader by Premium Plus app in your Zendesk instance. First off, go to your admin center and select Apps and Integrations and Zendesk Support Apps, and then click the Marketplace button. On the Marketplace, search for Teamleader and click the first app. Next, you can install a free trial. Select your instance and click Install. Back in Zendesk, you can add your billing details and sign in with the Teamleader by Premium Plus app. This is sign in with Teamleader. If you're already signed in, this will go fairly easy. If you're not yet signed in, you will have to sign in to Teamleader first before you can authorize. Once you've entered all your billing details, you can then agree to the terms and conditions and click Start Trial. The app will now be installed in your environment and will be visible as a sidebar app next to your ticket. So in Support, you can then go to any ticket, and in the sidebar there is the Teamleader by Premium Plus app.